Hey guys, this lesson we're going to be talking about signals in your Ruby application. So let's take a look at a quick example of a signal, the interrupt signal, and we'll look at that in regards to the Rails server. So here Puma boots up, and the last message here it says use Control-C to stop. If we hit Control-C in our terminal, you'll see the Control-C character printed out here with the caret and a capital C, and then some messages from Puma. And what this is saying is it received the Control-C message from the operating system, and that Control-C press generated a signal that was sent to the process that says, hey, we want to interrupt you from whatever you're doing. So let's take a look at how we can create and handle that in our own Ruby code. So we're going to go and make a signals.rb file, open it up in VS Code, and then we'll say while true do puts hello world. And if you save this and you run it with Ruby, you'll see that it goes and prints out hello world. We can hit Control-C and it interrupts our program. But it gives us this sort of error message output here where it says there's an interrupt from signals.rb in the puts method. And it's basically saying, hey, we were interrupted. We see that Control-C here at the beginning. But this is not a friendly way to clean up. The operating system sent us a signal saying interrupt your program. Ruby saw that and said, okay, we're done, and we will interrupt and quit. But you can actually, in Ruby, listen to those signals and handle them your own way. So you can say signal.trap, the interrupt signal. You'll often see these online with sig at the beginning. So sig int is the interrupt signal, and in Ruby you would just say we want to listen to int